Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all the fellow human beings who are listening to this humble darwish and who are with us on this journey to explore the beautiful names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Al-Jabbar. Al-Jabbar, He is the repairer of the broken, the completer of the lacking, the one who can enforce His will without any opposition. Hadrat Ali karamallahu wajhu used to pray, Ya Jabbar kulli, O Jabbar, who puts together all that is broken and brings ease to every difficulty. At the same time, Al-Jabbar is the one who is able to enforce His will at all times and places without any opposition. This forcefulness makes submission a necessity. His forcefulness is within the destiny of all His creation. The sun cannot say, I will not rise again. The wind cannot say, I will not blow again. Yet the human being is given a choice. We are also given the wisdom to know what is right and what is wrong. We are given freedom, yet the purpose of our creation is to know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to find Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to become the servant, abd of Allah. But this is not enforced on us. Allah has left it to our wish. We find Al-Jabbar by knowing that the only place to go to repair our broken hopes, to find peace and the confusion in which we find ourselves, is to Allah. On those unhappy occasions of disobedience and revolt, if we run to take refuge in Allah's mercy before the coming of His punishment, from which no force can save us and from which there is nowhere to hide, we will find in this moment the recollection of Allah in His capacity as the forceful one, Al-Jabbar. Abdul-Jabbar. Abdul-Jabbar is the one who reflects Allah's force, who dominates everything and enforces Allah's will in the material and spiritual creations. Whoever sincerely believes in the invisible power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and counts on it may recite Ya Jabbaru 21 times in the morning and evenings. By the will of Allah, this brings safety from the threat of tyrants within us and without us. So keep on reciting this beautiful name, Al-Jabbar, who is the repairer of our broken hopes, of our broken hearts, who is the only one who is the completer of all what we lack. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.